Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best TSJ Office is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any modern workspace, offering a blend of functionality, comfort, and style that can significantly impact your productivity and overall well-being throughout the day. Whether you're setting up a home office for the first time or looking to upgrade your existing setup, choosing the right office furniture is a crucial decision that requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure it meets your specific needs and enhances your work environment. This review will delve into what makes a TSJ office stand out and why it might be the perfect addition to your professional life. Number 5. TSJ Office Small Desktop Whiteboard. Introducing a smart solution to enhance your productivity. This desktop whiteboard is designed to fit perfectly in your workspace, maximizing your available area. Enjoy a seamless writing experience on its durable glass surface. It wipes clean effortlessly, ensuring it always stays white and easy to read for your notes and reminders. Keep your desk tidy with its convenient hidden drawer and accessory tray. Store markers, erasers, and other essentials, or place your phone and notepad on the top tray for easy access. This comprehensive kit includes the desktop glass whiteboard, markers, and an eraser. You'll have everything you need to get organized right out of the box. An ideal gift for anyone looking to improve organization at home, school, or the office. It's a versatile tool that promotes efficiency and reduces paper waste for all ages. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is here to help ensure you are happy with your purchase. What we like. This one is designed to maximize your workspace. It sits perfectly between your keyboard and monitor, offering a comfortable typing angle. If you're looking to declutter your desk and keep essentials like markers and erasers handy, its hidden storage and accessory tray make it a top choice. What people say. I find the whiteboard system way more practical and eco-friendly than a million post-it notes or notepads. The storage inside holds a lot more than I expected and is just what I need with my desk being open and drawer-free. The glass feels good to write on, far better than plastic, wooden, or metal-based whiteboards I've used in the past. Number 4. Quartet Desktop Glass Whiteboard GDE 119. This board offers flexible use, allowing you to lay it flat for comfortable writing or prop it upright for better visibility. It easily adjusts to fit your desk space. Elevate your workspace with its premium glass surface and sleek design. It blends seamlessly with any decor, adding a modern touch to your desk. The non-absorbent glass ensures a clean surface every time you write, erase, and rewrite. It's resistant to stains and ghosting for clear communication. Keep papers and documents handy with the included removable clip. It also serves as a convenient spot to store your marker when not in use. This package includes the desktop glass dry erase easel, a removable clip, and a dry erase marker. For optimal performance, consider Quartet glass board accessories. What we like. Elevate your desktop with its sleek, contemporary glass design that complements any decor. The removable clip is perfect for securing important papers or holding your marker. If you desire a stylish and functional addition to your desk that keeps notes visible and organized, this is the one for you. What people say. The glass surface is incredibly smooth and durable, no ghosting, no scratches. It also just feels more premium when writing on it, and erasing is effortless. This board comes with all one needs to start using it immediately, including a fine-tip black marker with built-in eraser and a clip with a cord to attach it to the board. This is a pretty thick glass writing tablet with a white background. I keep it on the desktop in my office and I love the clip-on pen holder attachment that can be removed if needed. Number 3. TSJ Office Small Desktop Whiteboard 8 by 6 inches. Introducing the TSJ Office Small Desktop Whiteboard, a compact and elegant solution for your daily notes and ideas. Its sleek design fits perfectly on any desk. Experience comfortable writing with its scientifically designed angle. This thoughtful feature reduces wrist strain, making long writing or cleaning sessions a breeze. Enjoy a smooth and durable writing surface that cleans easily with a single swipe. It resists ghosting and staining, ensuring a pristine look every time. Keep your writing tools handy with the integrated marker tray. It securely holds your marker, providing fast and convenient access whenever inspiration strikes. This kit comes with everything you need to get started right away. It includes the whiteboard, markers, and an eraser, so you can begin using it immediately. Designed with a non-slip mat on the bottom, it stays firmly in place whether standing or lying flat. You can write and wipe with confidence, without any sliding. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We offer hassle-free customer service and a promise to return your money if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. Experience comfortable writing with its scientifically designed angle, preventing wrist fatigue. It also features a convenient marker tray for quick access to writing tools. If you're an artist, teacher, or student who values ergonomic design and immediate access to markers, this small board is ideal. What people say. The TSJ Office Desktop Whiteboard features a sleek, 12x8-inch glass surface paired with an adjustable stand, providing a versatile writing surface that saves desk space and adapts to different angles for optimal visibility. I was impressed by how durable the glass build feels, better quality and longer lasting than typical plastic boards. Its portable and compact size means I can easily slide it into a laptop bag or reposition it mid-meeting without interrupting flow. Number 2. TSJ Office 36 by 24-inch glass dry erase board. Experience a superior writing surface with our premium glass whiteboard. Its durable tempered glass ensures a smooth, scratch-resistant finish for effortless erasing and rewriting, keeping your ideas clear every time. Elevate your space with its modern, frameless appearance that seems to float on your wall. This stylish design adds a touch of sophistication, perfect for any office or home setting. Setting it up is a breeze with our secure mounting system. Simply attach the hardware to your wall and snap the board into place for a firm and safe installation that saves valuable space. Enhance your meetings and presentations with its magnetic glass surface. It comes with powerful magnets, making it ideal for organizing notes and displaying important information. This versatile board is perfect for a variety of uses, from group learning and office meetings to home memos and classroom teaching. It's an excellent addition to any home, office, or school environment. What we like. This large, frameless board offers a premium writing surface that appears to float on your wall, adding a modern touch. Its magnetic feature is great for meetings and presentations. If you need a substantial writing area for heavy use in an office, home, or classroom and prefer a sleek, wall-mounted solution, this is your best bet. What people say. The board itself is smooth and easy to clean, it looks professional and amazing. The sleek, frameless design adds a modern touch to my home office. It actually looks like a piece of art. The writing surface is incredibly smooth. The ink wipes off effortlessly, even days later. The tempered glass is sturdy and feels high quality, giving me confidence that it will last for years. The whiteboard is very sleek, the color is subtle, it's very thin. Has a very nice frameless design, and is easy to install. They provide a very helpful template and instructions to install the product directly on the wall, and some extra goodies that were not expected. Number 1. TSJ Office Rolling Whiteboard Standing. Introducing the TSJ Office Rolling Whiteboard Standing, a versatile tool for your office, school, or home. It offers a spacious 40 by 26 inches magnetic surface for all your writing and brainstorming needs. Experience an exceptionally smooth writing and erasing surface thanks to its special lacquered coating. This ensures a clean slate every time you use it. Designed for stability and safety, it features a robust steel stand with 5 universal wheels. Each wheel has a locking brake, ensuring it stays put while you work, making it safe even for students. Customize your writing experience with adjustable telescoping legs, offering heights from 53 to 76 inches. You can also tilt the board from 0 to 15 degrees to find the perfect angle for presentations or writing. Get up and running in no time with its easy, 5-step installation process. You'll be ready to use it shortly after unboxing. Perfect for a variety of settings, including small group learning, homeschooling, offices, and dorm rooms. It's ideal for memos, meetings, and teaching. What we like. This mobile whiteboard offers ultimate flexibility with its smooth rolling wheels and adjustable height and angle. It's perfect for dynamic environments where you need to move your presentation or workspace. If you frequently collaborate, teach, or present in different areas and need a sturdy, adaptable board, this rolling option is unbeatable. What people say. The lockable wheels, tilting surface and sturdiness made this well worth the investment. As a taller individual, I especially appreciate how it can adjust for the appropriate height in an instant. Allowing students to create their own anchor charts is easy to do with this, since you can adjust the height, the tilt, and lock the wheels. I love that it also has a magnetic whiteboard that can be used to extend lessons. The TSJ Office Dry Erase board has a circular base which conserves space and is easy to move on 5 wheels: quality, aesthetics, practicality, and sturdiness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.